Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2023 GMC Terrain SLE featured in ebony twilight metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood there's a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power park brake, power liftgate, heated seats, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, and a power moonroof. Some safety features include lane keep assist, hill descent control, backup camera, OnStar, SOS, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, front and rear powered windows and powered mirrors. We also have the trunk controls on the side here, as well as our cup holder. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats. And we can take a step inside. Just to the left when we get in, we have our lighting controls as well as our powered park brake. And we can go ahead and start up the vehicle. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls as well as the hands-free Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert. Moving over to the infotainment screen here, we can check out our audio. Comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth, and it's also equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. We can take a look at the navigation. Pretty straightforward. And we can also take a peek at the backup camera. Below are the controls, and below that we have our dual zone climate control. Down here we have a USB-C and USB plug-in as well as an aux and a 12-volt. Some storage space here, 2 cup holders in the middle, and here we have our heated seats for passenger and driver, as well as lane keep assist and our hill descent control. Here's the center console. Take a closer look here. We have a little storage compartment above, a light in the back, and 2 USB plug-ins. Here's the rear view mirror. Just above that we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, a sunglasses case, as well as our power sunroof controls. Here it is. And there's the rest of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Terrain badging along the bottom, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear, and we can go ahead and make our way to the back here. Open up the back, all we got to do is double click and it's going to pop open for us. Tons of storage space back here. We can also lift this bottom bit up to add a spare tire or extra storage. Of course, these back seats drop down. You can use these controls here and they drop down for you for a ton extra space. And to close her up, all we got to do is push the button there and it's going to close for us. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows. There's a cup holder there. And here are the seats. Of course, we can pull this, drop the seat down to get some more space as well. We can hop inside here. The top side of the door here, we have handles on either side with dome lights. The back of the center console are the main rear vents. And here we have 2 USB plugins. And at the bottom we have a 3-prong plug-in. Taking a look at the middle here, we can pull this down for an armrest / cup holder. You can also take a look at the sunroof from the rear. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2023 GMC Terrain SLE. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.